Alright, after rebuilding this ion source, it's very intricate. You want to make sure that the copper ore washer is underneath the white. It doesn't sit right, is it? Underneath the white insulator. So make sure that everything is perfectly lined up, not touching anything in between. And then you can do a continuity test to make sure that the electrode perfectly isolated. And in contact. And in contact. And sliding. Okay, so this is one rebuild. Let's do to the next. Now notice that the chimney, the brand new chimney, has one big large hole on one side, one smaller hole on the other side, and the smaller hole fits at the big part on the bottom. For some reason this one does not have any. It got probably corroded away. This one, on the other hand, has it. So since we don't use
how's it going now?
Since we don't use deuterium, I do believe this is intact. This is the proton, hydrogen, deuterium. So I'm filming, I'm showing the holes, and we're gonna rebuild this one again. The filler gauge will be for this part, and the other side will be for the flat part. It's perfectly flat.